Hey everyone, Aaron Schatz here, Editor-in-Chief of AC Publishing. Welcome to a HardwareLogic video supplement. We're not doing a full review on this. If you want to see the full review, just go to HardwareLogic.com. It'll be there for you in text form. Anyway, we just want to show you the Crucial Ballistix Smart Tracer series, the difference in lighting patterns and the light options. So as you can see right now, I have it on what's called streamer, and you can see that the modules have different colors on them. So let me just start up the Ballistix mod utility. Go into lights, and I'll change every light to orange, as you can see, which is great. Now I'm going to change the running lights to blue. Give you the idea. You see the blue on the bottom, and I'll change the activity lights to blue. You can set each module individually like this. So I have the center one as orange and the outward ones as blue. And let's go into the patterns. So you could change. This is my favorite pattern. It's called stereo. Let me just start up something that will be a little intensive for memory. Okay, here we go. Now, watch what happens with stereo. Well, that wasn't too memory intensive enough. Let's try something else. Much better. Alright, so as you can see, the stereo is like an equalizer, showing you, how the memory's working. And I like this one the best. So that's great. Let's stop that, and I'm going to show you some more stuff. Alright, you can also change the brightness of the modules. So if I want to turn down the module brightness, you can see the left one is now down, and now they're all down. Now that's lowest brightness. You can also, if you want, you can actually turn off all the lights of the modules themselves, like so. Now you have no lights. Any light that you see is coming from the motherboard. And let me just turn them back on. Okay, and I'm going to show you different patterns now. So you're already used to the inside-out pattern, which is the standard one present on the older Tracer series. So that's great. Now let's see lava. Lava is pretty interesting. It's more like an outward-in pattern also, but it's basically nuts. So it's always like this, even when nothing's happening. So let me just start this up again. I'll show you that's what happens when memory's actually working. So it's almost like it's always on. But there, if it slows down, there is some pattern, as you can see on the outward modules. And my second favorite is streamer, which is like lines, almost matrix style, going up actually instead of down. But depends on the orientation of the motherboard, I guess. And it would always go up in this case. So let me show you how it looks when it's speeding up. And there you go. As the memory works, it'll get faster and faster. And I think that and the stereo are the best patterns to use. And I like the fact that you can turn off all the lights if you don't want it, but I like lights, so I'm leaving them on. You can change each of them to whatever you want. So it's up to you. The Smart Tracer series is a pretty interesting addition to the Tracer series. But if you have the old ones, I don't suggest buying them. If you want to, get them for a new build, that's great. They're running a little bit of a price premium right now because you do get the extra functionality of changing the lights and the patterns, and you do get the thermal module with it too, so you can know the temperature of the modules themselves. Unfortunately, you can't change the pattern manually. Like if there was an API, you wouldn't be able to say, oh, I want like all these LEDs to go in this type of pattern. Crucial actually said to me that it would cost too much to be able to reprogram the modules. So, it is what it is. Anyway, thanks for reviewing a HardwareLogic video supplement. Please check out our other reviews.